Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete saved Wi-Fi networks from your device to remove old connections and improve network security, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your device by tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Tap on Wi-Fi or network and internet to access your wireless network settings. Step 3. View the list of available and saved Wi-Fi networks on your device. Step 4. On iPhone or iPad, tap the information icon I next to the saved network you want to delete. Then tap Forget this network. Step 5. Confirm the action by tapping Forget to permanently remove the network from your device. Step 6. On Android, tap and hold the saved network name, then select Forget Network or Delete Network from the Options menu. Step 7. Confirm the deletion to remove the network from your saved connections. Step 8. On Windows, go to Settings, select Network and Internet, click Wi-Fi, then Manage Known Networks, and click Forget next to the network you want to delete. Step 9. Repeat these steps for any additional saved Wi-Fi networks you want to remove from your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.